Yes, I am feeling real bougie because I got gold on my eyelids. What? Hey, you guys. So today we are doing a palette review. Not a review, more like a palette play. We're doing a let's play in my makeup with the chocolate gold palette. If you want to see how I got this look right here, just go ahead and keep watching. I have to stop doing this goddamn snap. Why am I snapping? Hey, you guys. So, if you can't tell, my face is already done, but my eyes aren't. So, we already know what this is going to be. This is going to be something about those eyes, right? Well, today we are going to focus on the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. I like the packaging, number one. It kind of reminds me of Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory when you had to find the chocolate bar wrapped in gold. Like, I feel like I made it, mama. I made it. I won. I got it. I really don't know where I want to go. So let's just see where we end up while we're playing in the colors. All right. So I'm trying out some of the brushes that I got on my TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. So this might be a trial and error with the brushes. This right here is the MAC 248 because I'm having to go into the palette way too many times to get the amount of eyeshadow that I want on my eye. I'm gonna probably just use this to go like under my eye or something like that. If you want to see any of the other things that I found on that haul, I will post the link to that video right here. Oh, so y'all don't mind if I drink a little bit of coffee while I'm doing this, do you? You know, I gotta get my Miss Heavenly on. All right, so this is what I use so far. I'm thinking I either want to use this or this. Let's just go for it. So I chose Holla for $1. On the top, we are gonna use, do I want to be famous? Or do I want to have that old money? I want that old money, y'all. So we're gonna use this old money just to go up under my brow a little bit. I like it. Nothing dripped down into my drop down. You know, I'm getting my heavily on, so I'm feeling heavenly. How about that? I'm feeling real heavenly right now. I had to use some of the chocolate gold. I mean, this is not a review, but more like a let's play in my makeup for the chocolate gold palette. So I had to use chocolate gold, so I went ahead and put that in my creases. And then on the under eye, I had to have my cake and eat it too, because I know I was like, do I want to be that old money or do I want to be famous? Bitch, I want to be both. So that the famous one up under the eye. Now we're gonna go ahead and set this look off with some eyeliner and some mascara, because you know I'm not gonna put any lashes on because it's literally like 12:09 in the morning, and I ain't going nowhere. So as soon as I finish this, I'm taking this off. I'm really gonna wrap it up and go to bed. I'm blind as crap. So when I do my mascara, I gotta be like all up in the mirror. So you guys, come with me. Come with me. I am so glad that this video was really just focusing on the eyes, because when I looked at this video, I was really feeling myself. Yes, I was. If you don't see me feeling myself right here, oh my goodness. But I also see that this foundation is crazy ashy. I see it now. I didn't see it then, but I definitely see it now. So don't be trying to come for me. I know, I see it. But you know, things look completely different when you are how I was. All right, so a couple things about this palette. For one, I really like I like Too Faced palettes anyway. So before this one, my favorite was Just Peachy. Or no, Lord, Sweet Peach. That's actually my favorite. Actually, my first time using it. So before I can be like, oh, this has the spot, I'm gonna have to use it a little bit more and see, you know, if I really like it. I do like the look that I made for this video, especially being that I really didn't have any idea of what I was gonna do in the beginning. But once I started playing with it, what came, the ending result, I really do like. I love Too Faced palettes. One, I just walk around with my eyes smelling good, like ew, you know. And they got real cocoa and gold. Okay, so yes, I am feeling real bougie because I got gold on my eyelids. What? Okay, yes. This palette is $49.99. I got my palette at Sephora. I swear I feel like the 2018 version of Willy Wonka, and I found the chocolate bar with the gold wrapper. I didn't hit y'all with it yet, but you guys knew it was gonna come. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button. And that other one over there, right there too, or over here, I don't know. It's the notification button. Hit that thing. Hit that thing, okay? Hold on, let me take a sip though. Life is stressful, and coffee just makes it better. If you still trying to look fly, but you ain't really trying to spend $50 on a palette, I got you. Go ahead and hit this card right here, and I will show you everything that I found on sale the other day at your local Target store. Okay, like Target got a mad sale going on. Do people even say that anymore? Mad sale? And if you want to do some high-end hauling on a nice little low-end budget, hit this card right here, and I will show you what I found at my local T-Max. At my local TJ Maxx and Target stores. So until the next time I see you guys,